water so long. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Ridula and I make food related content. If you enjoy watching such videos, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. What are we going to do today? You know what? I'm cooking my dinner right now and it's 4:45. It's not even 5 right now and I am cooking my dinner. That's because I have a lot of things to get to today. I have assignments. I have to plan the entire week recipes. I have to plan the recipes for the entire week. Guess what I've done? I have started. I am done planning 2 to 3 recipes. Yes, recipes. I've planned 2 to 3 recipes. 3 more to go. But apart from that, I have to do my assignments. I have to submit it by 18, and I've just completed 2 of them, and I have to do 6 of them. More 6. But that's not the problem. The problem is the ongoing series. Again, I am talking about the series. Also, I've started this vlog late today because I was just editing my vlog right now and I felt that my vlogs are so monotonous. Get up, I'll show you my breakfast and then I talk about some of my recipes, then I'll take you to my run and then I'll come home and then I'll cook, but that's how my Saturday is. And I get the time to shoot for YouTube on Saturdays only, just because it is not that monotonous. I thought that why not just start in the evening when I'm actually starting to cook. So we are cooking a chickpea based curry. I've ordered something from Zepto. Once it's here, I'll show you guys what I've ordered. Also, I've ordered this one chips from Super You, the masala flavored. I recently had their cream and onion and oh my god, it's big. It is under 200 calories. It is around 164 or something like that. And it tastes so good that I had to, try their new flavors. Also, they have 2 to 3 flavors, but I thought let me just try their masala. It's Indian masala. I don't know. Once it's here, we'll see what is that. Yes, that's it. What we have, my Zepto order. This is the chips that I was talking about. It has some INS 330 at the end, but apart from that, it's made from all clean ingredients, contains added natural food color and contains yes, we'll do the taste test for this. We have some strawberries. Guess why? How could you even guess? You have no idea about what I'm making. I am making strawberry pancakes tomorrow. Yes, high protein I'm making pancakes tomorrow and strawberry is the topping. We are making, wait a second, I have to show you guys something. We are making chickpea curry, and to make it creamy we are going to use coconut milk. It is going to be a coconut milk based curry or gravy, and I'm very excited. Recently I've been loving these recipes which have coconut milk. Since the time I've tried Goan prawn curry, I am quite obsessed with coconut milk. In my head I have this idea of this gravy which is like smooth and not textured. I don't want it to be a chunky gravy. Instead I want it to be very smooth and not milky. I mean, I want it to be thick, but I want it to be like a very smooth gravy, not the gravies we usually cook, the Indian gravies which are chunky or very gritty. I have this in my head. I don't know if I'll be able to execute that. I have never tried this recipe. This is the first time. Also, to achieve that, I am thinking of adding tomato puree instead of chopped tomatoes. That would really help with the texture I want. I want to actually make it like a semi-thick gravy in which you could dip your breads and have. So that's the idea I have in my head. I hope I'll be able to achieve that, because if I do, then it would be amazing, because I would have this after I come from a run. This is my choti khushiyan, because I absolutely love thinking about the fact that I'll have something amazing to eat after I complete my run. Yes, That's my motivation. That's me motivating myself to run on the treadmill when I'm exhausted. I just cannot breathe, and I have to cover more 20 minutes because I've just run for 10 minutes and I feel that I cannot breathe. So at that particular moment, I just remember there's this gravy waiting for me at my home with 2 whole breads. I'm just going to devour on this plate. A lot of yapping's done. Now let's go cook. Yeah, I am already sorry for the bad lighting, but we have some soaked chickpeas. I mean, you could just keep it for 4 to 5 hours, or you could, soak it overnight. I've kept the chickpeas in the cooker. Now let's chop the veggies and make tomato puree. Yes, we need some garlic, onion, tomato, ginger. That's it. Let's do it quickly because I have a lot to get through today. So let's go. Let's chop some veggies now. Do I need any, changes to this recipe? Absolutely not. I think I should, make a reel on this recipe because it is so creamy. I mean, just look at it. This is exactly how I wanted it to be: creamy, luscious. So good. Ignore my hair. This is so good. It is so creamy. It is perfect. It is the spices in this is so balanced. I wanted the garlic and ginger to shine. this is exactly like that. It is not very masaledar. I mean, you cannot say it by the color because of course it would go light as I've added coconut milk, but oh my god, it is so good. I mean, I cannot just describe it in words how creamy it is. And this is going to be my dinner at 6 o'clock right now. I'll go for a run and come home and eat this. So good. You know what? This exact gravy, this exact creamy base along with chicken, killer. When I'll make it with chicken, I'll make sure that the ginger is probably more dominant. And oh my god, just look at this. How do I show you? Where do I show it? So creamy. This is Stay tuned till the very end as I'm going to make strawberry pancakes, as well as I'm going to make this recipe called Bagharelo Rotlo. What you do is yogurt is the base and you just add roti, millet roti in there. The roti in Gujarati is called rotlo. As the name suggests, rotlo. You can just visualize it to be like that. It's that thick, as the name says. Rotlo is a 10-minute or 15-minute kind of a recipe, but I absolutely love it. I've been having it since childhood and it is one of my comfort meals. It is a Gujarati slash Rajasthani delicacy and it is very famous in household. It's like a household recipe. You cannot find this recipe particularly on YouTube. I'm very excited for that because I absolutely love it. People also add leftover sabzi in that, mostly cluster beans, which is called gawar. Yeah, so my mother usually adds cluster beans, buttermilk or curd and gives a lasun tadka. Apart from that, how I'm going to make it protein rich is by adding high protein Greek yogurt. So I'm going to make the buttermilk out of Greek yogurt. If I have something interesting, then I'll see you at dinner. If I eat something apart from this, then I'll show you. If not, then I'll see you tomorrow. Ta-da! I have made these strawberry pancakes. My sister is going to taste test this and rate it out of 10. So here you go. I've added the compote generously so you could taste it in every bite. This compote around 350 calories, I guess. I don't remember. 350 calories, and it has 20 to 25 grams of protein for this entire plate, which is 3 medium-sized pancakes. I mean, they are very filling. It is not very overly sweet, plus it is tangy sweet because of this compote. You could also add some chopped fruits on top if you enjoy it like that, but I mean, this was a success. It was a great recipe. Guys, this is the rotlo that I was talking about. It is very comforting. Just look at this bowl. If you are someone who loves so good. If you are someone who enjoys yogurt or yogurt with, dominant garlic chili flavors, then this is for you. And it takes just 15 minutes for it to come together. 15 minutes and you get to eat this. All you got to do is make a basic tempering, smash some garlic with chili powder, add everything to a little bit of oil, and then add your rotlo, mix everything well, and then add your buttermilk, mix it. It comes to a gentle simmer, okay? You don't have to boil it or else the yogurt will split, so you don't want that. Yes, that's it. I actually forgot to review this chips by Super You that I told that I'll try it and review it. So yeah, that's what we're doing. Where's the name of the super masala flavor? These are the chips. Can you see? So masala. Why is it so similar to this? The flavors are very similar to this. Of course, the texture is different. This is a thick chip. I mean, you could feel that it is a multi-grain chip. It's very crispy. Oh my god. The masala is exactly similar to the Lay's masala flavor. Too good. I mean, if I have to choose between this and, I felt that the cream and onion one was very salty, and I expected this to be more salty because that's cream and onion and this is masala. So I mean, this is supposed to be more salty, but I don't know how, but that is very salty. Because of that being so salty, I did not wanted to try this. But you know what? This is less, a bit less salty. If I have to pick between these two flavors, then I'll always go with cream and onion. But for these chips, I'll choose masala one. So that's it for this vlog. If you enjoyed watching this vlog, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also comment what videos you would want me to make on this channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you all in the next one.